Welcome. This is a final video to fix Pixel 8 bricked after leaving Android beta, and I made it simple for everyone to follow. So tell me, are you stuck with a Pixel 8 that will not turn on after you let the Android beta program? Do you see a black screen, boot loop, or no response at all? This problem happens because beta software uses test system files, and when you exit the beta, your phone tries to load stable software that does not match those files. So the system crashes and the phone looks dead. Many videos on YouTube and posts on social media show long commands, risky tools, and confusing steps that stress you out even more. But Rex has found a clean and safe trick that works without panic. My secret easy trick uses the official Android recovery and one smart reset step that forces the correct software to load again. This method avoids flashing errors and keeps your phone safe. You do not need deep tech skills, and you do not need to watch 10 different videos. You just follow one clear idea and your Pixel wakes up again. I tested this fix on real Pixel 8 devices after beta exit failure, and it works when other tricks fail. Stay calm and remember that your phone is not dead. It just feels lost. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial with clear clicks and timing, comment below and tell Rex issue on the full guide, and I will help you fix your Pixel 8 fast and safely.